A battle brewing in Hollywood as Lindsey Lohan's estranged father refuses to give up. Michael Lohan wants a judge to order her into rehab, but Lindsey and her mother have stated publicly that there's no need because she's clean and sober. Lindsey is currently on probation for a DUI conviction in 2007. Joining us exclusively this morning from Los Angeles with details of a letter that Michael Lohan has just sent to a judge overseeing Lindsey's case is his attorney, CBS News legal analyst Lisa Bloom. Good morning, Lisa.
Good morning, Maggie.
So Michael Lohan, your client, has sent a letter to the judge overseeing this case asking what?
Yes, I sent a letter on Michael's behalf asking that in the event that Lindsey is in violation of the term of her probation, namely that she attend weekly alcohol education classes, then Michael would like the judge to order her into a residential rehab program. And he's done extensive research behind the scenes and found a program that he thinks would be the best for her. It's close to her family in Long Island. The family could all participate in family therapy. She could be given appropriate treatment for what he thinks are her problems, namely prescription drug abuse.
You say that you're asking a judge to do this if Lindsey is in violation of her probation. She says, and her mother says, that she is not in violation of probation. How will a judge decide who's right on this?
Well, it's a simple matter, and we have credible sources that she has missed a couple of classes. The judge's order was very clear that she had to attend once a week. The alcohol education program will submit a report to the court as to whether she's in violation or not by the next hearing date, which is May 20th. But we know, Maggie, that behind the scenes, the judge and the attorneys on both sides are already operating on the assumption that she is in violation, and the judge is deciding what to do in the event that she is in violation. And that could include incarceration. Michael Lohan does not favor incarceration for his daughter. Instead, he wants her to go to rehab.
Is it unusual for a father to write an unsolicited letter on behalf of his estranged daughter? How will a judge weigh this?
No, I don't think it's unusual at all. Family members weigh in frequently when a close family member, a defendant, is facing sentencing or facing additional terms of their probation. We saw that in a celebrity case recently where Michael Douglas weighed in the sentencing of his son. And Michael and Lindsey do have a relationship. They text, they do speak to each other occasionally. And he loves his daughter very much for his shortcomings and his flaws and the mistakes that he's made in his life, which he freely admits. He loves his daughter and he wants the best for her.
A lot of people, though, say that he's out for money or attention or control of her career. How do you respond to those critics who question his motive, Lisa?
I'm so glad that you raised that, because there are a lot of lies on the gossip sites about Michael Lohan. He has never asked for a dime from his daughter, nor has he received a dime from his daughter. He's not seeking to control her or control her estate. If you read the letter that we wrote on his behalf, he's asking that she be ordered to residential rehab. He certainly wouldn't get any money from that in any way. He's also asking that if the judge does not see fit to order that she be subjected to random drug testing as an additional term of her probation, as many people who are on probation for drug offenses are.
All right. Lisa Bloom, live in Los Angeles for us this morning. Thank you so much, Lisa.
Thanks, Maggie.
A lot happens early on The Early Show, weekday mornings on CBS.